How to activate EastWest Credit Card online. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can activate EastWest Credit Card online. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, visit their website. So for that, open up a browser in your device and in the search bar, type in www.eastwestbanker.com. So type in www.eastwestbanker.com. Then tap on search. Now you'll be taken into their website. Now first of all, you have to log in into your account. So in order to log in, navigate towards the bottom right corner and tap on this home like icon. Now from here, choose your account. Once you get this type of interface, tap on login now option. Now here, log in into your account by entering your username and password. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to access your EastWest online banking account. And once logged in, locate and select the credit card section or specific card that you want to activate. Now in order to activate your credit card, find an option to activate your card, which is often labeled as card activation or activate card. After that, enter all the required details such as the card number, expiration date, and your CVV number. Now, in order to confirm your activation, first of all, verify your details that you have entered and confirm the activation request. You may receive a one-time password, that is OTP, via your SMS or email for verification. Then, enter the OTP to complete the process. And after the verification, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your credit card has been activated. And in that way, you can activate your EastWest credit card online. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.